Hello, welcome back to Brandon Bakes. Today we'll be baking in something that you don't usually expect to be baking in, and we're going to be baking cakes in the microwave. Yep, exactly what it sounds like. And the ingredients that you're going to need for it is vanilla, milk, butter, sprinkles, flour, eggs, and sugar. Alright, let's get started. First, what you're going to want to do is melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Just gotta wait for it to get done melting. And since I'm doing it in a measuring cup, it's not gonna melt all the way, so I'm gonna have to do it again. And things that you'll need to bake in with. I got these. Okay, I can hear it sizzling. We found at all these cups that you can use to do it in, but other ingredients or other things that you can do it in are like Tupperware dishes, because they'll work like the exact same. Alright, so the butter's out of the microwave. Just gotta take my whisk out. And I have a spatula just to make sure that you get all the butter out, because all the butter you will need. And you're going to want to pour that in first. And use your spatula to get it all out. Alright, now I'm going to add all the ingredients. You need 1/4 cup of flour. You're going to need, whisk almost fell off. 1 tablespoon of milk. And we just get the milk out of there so it doesn't mess with your 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, oops, got a little bit of vanilla on the counter, 1 egg, and then you start mixing, and you'll add the sprinkles in when you have everything mixed in. And the eggs are going to be in there, and you're going to see a lot of yellow from the eggs, but trust me, it's supposed to be yellow. You basically, with this, you're basically downgrading cake out of the box. And then you're going to want this one, the teaspoon of sprinkles. I chose these orange sprinkles. It's better with the soft sprinkles because the harder ones don't cook as well in the microwave. So, yeah. Mixing those ones in. Go back off to the side and mix your sprinkles in. Alright, now it's time to put it in the dishes. Alright, so you're going to want to get all the batter out of your whisk. Put it on something where you can hold it on. And then you're going to want to fill up your containers halfway. Here we go. Alright. That one's good for now. And you're going to have always a little bit left over, so it's going to go over half just a little bit. Because you don't want to let stuff go to waste. I'm going to use my spatula for a second. Just scrape everything together. Alright. Just gotta get the little last of it. Alright, so I got everything in the dish now, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sprinkles on top of the mixture. Alright, now you're going to want to put them into the microwave together. And cook them for 1 minute and then check them. Alright, so you're going to want to get a cooling rack. And I'm going to go check them because they just went off. I still need a little bit more time. But like I said, you want to check them when they get to 1 minute. Alright, so they're in there cooking. Yep, those definitely needed the last couple of seconds. Alright. First one done. That's what it looks like. And you're just going to want to put it right onto your pan. That came out really nice. And grab your other one. Put it onto your pan. Alright, so I got my 2 cakes, and you're just going to want to let them sit for about like 5 minutes just to cool down, so when you're trying to eat them, they aren't burning up and falling apart the second you touch them. So this is the finished product. I put a little bit of ice cream on mine because that goes really good, but you can also do like a powdered sugar glaze, regular frosting, Cool Whip. There's a lot of stuff that goes good with it. So taste test time. The ice cream doesn't want to stay on. And it's really good. And I think it really fits with the ice cream because like it brings out like coldness to the warmness. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just really good with ice cream. So if you have some ice cream, you can do it on there too. Well, until next time, I'm Brandon Bakes. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.